Yo, what's up, everybody, man? I believe that God allows evil to bring about ultimate good out of every bad situation. You understand? I believe that God works all things, and all things means all things for those who love Him and are called according to His purpose. I know what it's like. I can identify with you who have a bad life, but check it out, yo. Check it, yo. Time is hard, rough, rugged, and scarred. Life without God, you're a dead man that's been raped hard. Then they can't make decisions. No hope. Jesus must take your heart in the surgery. Tag his initials like incisions. Heard a man on the streets. He says, I believe. I think he been a Steve's cause he also believes. Okay, that threesomes, man, with the Adam and Steves. No more Adam and Eves, but some Adam and Steves. Lame beliefs plus whack doctrines. Jesus' birthday perverted the flying reindeer and hanging stockings. I'm from P City, where the zombies walk, shoot guns, slang crack, limp walk, and slang talk. Where Mary goes to church on Sundays, but on weekdays it's drink, smoke weed, and club days. Jehovah Jireh, please provide me with your power to release these captives from the jaws of the prowler. I'm from the east, I'm a lyrical beast. Give me 1 second to explain myself, at least up north accent. Slang in my talk, forget my tongue, dog, if I'm not walking my walk. I'm in a fight, yup. Situations get hyped, I represent for Christ, dog, in the day and the night, yup. You know what I'm saying? Whether I eat, whether I drink, whatever I do all to the glory of God, man. This song is to the glory of God, man. I want God to be glorified in this, you understand? Because you want to know why? Do you really want to know why? I'm going to tell you why. Check it, check it. I'm no longer a slave in chains. The enemy's claims have been broken. The incarnate who coexisted with the Father got the enemy choking. The snake bruises heel, the woman's seed bruises his head. Introducing Elohim, the omnipotent who rose from the dead. I'm not ashamed of the gospel of peace. Nope, I'm not afraid of what a man could do to me at least. Yup, God hasn't given me a spirit of fear, but a bonus to reach the conus. Young as well as the oldest uses foolishness to confound the wise. The sick may well sanctify, hit on the rise, justified, glorified by His grace, holding fast the word of hope that maybe one day we'll see His face. I'm not nobody to be judging anybody, but God's coming to be somebody to preach the gospel to everybody. Yep, I want to preach the gospel to the world, man, because in the word it says, preach the gospel to the nations and make disciples. That's the Great Commission. You understand? So I don't need to be rapping about how bad I am. I don't want to glorify sin, you know? I want to tell you how big God is, man. I want God's name to be famous. Famous. You understand? I want God's name to be famous. Famous. Understand? Because God deserves all the glory. He deserves to be famous. We all deserve the wrath because we're sinners. God can't allow sin into heaven. What kind of place would heaven be if He allowed sin into heaven? It would be just like this earth. You see, we need to be washed. We needed a Savior. And Jesus Christ is that Savior. And through Jesus Christ, we're positionally made perfect. Not conditionally, but positionally made perfect. And each day we live our life for Jesus, and each day we grow in our relationship with Jesus, we're being sanctified. That means the old piece, the old man, is being crucified. God has molded us into the pot that He wants us to be. He's making us a new creation. You understand? But because of Christ's perfect righteousness, we can go to heaven. Because He was the only covenant keeper. Because He fulfilled the law. And He upheld the law when we didn't. Man failed. Israel failed. The church failed. Moses failed. David failed. Noah failed. Everybody failed. Adam and Eve failed. Satan failed. Jesus Christ, He didn't fail. He's perfect. Perfect enough that on the third day He rose again on the third day. And if He didn't rise, then our faith is in vain. God bless. Blah, blah, blah. Mighty Mouse, a.k.a., a.k.a., a.k.a. I love all the people of the world. Even my enemies. Even my ex-wife who had an affair. I love you too. I love you too. Brandon, who she had an affair with, I love him too. And I pray for y'all. .com